check. Okay. Okay, it's 7 o'clock. Let's start. Hi, everybody. Hi, welcome. Good evening, everybody, guys. Good evening. Okay, I can see 17 people watching. That's nice. Come on, share the live. We'll go for the class. Is my voice clear? Is it audible, guys? Guys, is it audible? Can you all hear me? Can you all hear me, guys? Little light. Can you all hear me? Check with the camera first. Okay. It's great. Can you all send a message? Come on, guys. Come on. Yup. That's great. Only Joe is there. What about others? All are sleeping or what? Yes, sir. Hi, Vaishnavi. Hi. Hi, Vaishnavi Eagle. Okay. Okay, let's have a quick brief about what we have learned last class. I think it was day before yesterday. Okay, so let's have a look with that, what exactly we had learned last class, and we'll go for the next today's topic. Okay, that's gonna be amazing, and kindly keep it as a very interactive session. Don't idle sit like this for a long time and see me and what I'm teaching. Kindly please you also respond. That is where I will also not get bored. If you are sitting like this, okay, playing the video, okay, you can go and see some course online. It's better. So let's be very interactive. Let's make it a very interactive session. So any questions I'm gonna ask, okay, I want everybody to respond. Okay. So let's have a very quick glance what we have learned last class. I think we guys have learned about three-tier architecture. That's amazing. Three-tier architecture. So we have learned about something called three-tier architecture in the previous session. Can you all tell me, in the three-tier architecture, which is the first layer? Come on, everybody. Come on, guys. In three-tier architecture, there are three layers. You all know that. There are three layers. Let's have a very quick glance. What exactly is a three-tier architecture? Can anybody tell me in three-tier architecture, three layers, which is the first layer? Come on, guys. Let's go. Let's set up. Let's set. Come on. Which is the first layer? Front end. That's great. Joe talks. That's great. The first layer is front end. Okay. So the second layer, what we are gonna see is server or middleware. So many will tell middle instead of middleware, modeware. No, middleware. Yeah. Great. Front end, middleware, and last one we have, that is backend, guys. What is that? Come on. Backend. So this is called three-tier architecture. Okay, I hope so you all have attended the session in the previous class. Okay, if you are not attended, please go and watch in my channel. I have uploaded the video also for you, please. Okay, kindly go and check that. Okay, Raghavendra, that's good. Arun, very good. Vrishali, that's great. Come on. So what is front end? Whatever we see in the interface, whatever we see, the output, what and all the output we are seeing in the interface, that is called front end. What is middleware? What and all the logic is there to run the application, whatever the logic is required, everything will be there in the what? Middleware or server. What do you mean by backend? Backend is nothing but the database. Okay, you all have heard, you all have seen that in the previous session, and to be to make it still interactive and very quicker, next coming classes we'll try to take it in Zoom or Google Meet, because I want to interact with you on spot. Delay there is some little delay in what, okay, in my YouTube. So let's kickstart with some other, okay, platform like Zoom, or we'll go for Google Meet in next classes, okay. So let's go for front end. So in front end, if you name some technologies, I would love to tell you there is something called HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Then we have React JS. Then we have Angular JS, Express middleware. I'm sorry, okay. Vue JS, everything is there. In middleware, you have a Java, Python, C, C++, Mongo, okay, and we have Express, Node.js, Ruby, Perl, PHP. Everything is middleware. Backend, you have SQL, MySQL, MongoDB. So lot of technologies we have already seen. We have already seen in yesterday's, and I mean the first class. So today we're gonna kickstart, guys. Today we're gonna kickstart. What exactly we are gonna learn is. So we are gonna see how web works. Okay. Interesting. So what do you mean by that? Today we're gonna see what exactly is web, guys. What is web? Why web? How it works? What is web? How we are getting interactive with the web? How we are interacting with the internet? How we are using browser? What is browser? How we are getting output? We are gonna see what exactly the web is gonna work. I hope so. You all are understanding my language. Okay, Akhilesh Patel. Good evening, boss. Good evening. Okay, let's go with the session, guys. Let's hit up with the session. So we're gonna see how the web will work. What is web? How we are getting output. So firstly, we all know, guys. We all know that where the person who's gonna start using internet. That is user, right? That is what? User. So, who is user? Anybody, any person, any company, any service, any customer, any client, anybody, any human being who is using the application is called as what? User. Now, what will do? User, we are the users. Okay? So, what will do? User will open what? Beautifully, users will open a beautiful application called browser. So what is a browser? We all have seen yesterday. There is lot of browsers in the market. Hundreds of browsers are there. I'll tell you, hundreds of browsers are there. Come on, watch everybody. Don't sleep. Get up. So user will open the browser. What do you mean by browser? Any Google Chrome, Firefox, Internet Explorer, Opera. Okay, you have a multiple Safari for Apple. Okay, any browser. Okay, you take any browser. So user will open the browser. Then we are gonna enter some data. Oh, boss. What boss? What is that? What is that, boss? Boss, I'm mechanical. I'm civil EC data. Data means what? Encoding, embedded. No. Data is nothing but a small information which is stored in the computer. Okay. So any user will open the browser like Google Chrome or Firefox, enter some data. Okay. As soon as you enter the data, sir, what data? Whatever you want to search in the browser. So for example, I want to get married. Okay, I just want to get married. Okay, I'm just 24 years old. Let's assume I'm not that young, but still let's assume I'm 24 years old. I want to get married. I will open the browser. I want to search for an alliance. So what I'll do, I'll just open shadi.com. Shadi website. Okay. So as soon as I enter www or just open the browser and enter shadi.com. No. It should connect. Where? Yesterday we have seen. Multiple times, 100 times I've taught you. It should connect to a beautiful place called as server. Zig. What is server? Server is the place. Where the software is installed. Are you all understanding, guys? What is server? Repeat at your home. Repeat at your home. Server is a place where the software is installed. Okay? Server is a place where the software is installed. Rahul sir, I understood. But whenever I enter shadi.com, directly, can it go to the server? Can it go to the server? I will tell, definitely no. Definitely no, definitely no. Why? Because server don't know Shadi. It don't know Shadi, guys. Server understand different part. It understand different language. But this is called human readable format. So Shadi means marriage. We know, human being know. But server, does it know Shadi? No, right? So we are not gonna get the output. So server don't understand this shadi.com, or you enter Chota Beam, or you enter KGF, or you enter anything, whatever you type, server directly will not understand. Oh ho 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 ho. Now you can ask, Rahul sir, if server not understanding what you are typing, but how we are getting output? How we are getting output? Beautiful question, beautiful question. There is something called as, in the market, there is something called as DNS. Okay. 26 people. DNS, what do you mean by DNS? Domain name system. In college they would have thought domain name server pinda. It's not domain name server. It's called domain name system. So what is this domain name system? Domain name system is very important, guys. It is very important. What is domain name system? So whatever you will type, whatever you're gonna type in the human readable format, that will be sent to the DNS. Now what this DNS will do? So Shadi is English, that's human readable format, right? So what will do? Whatever we have given that human readable format, this DNS will convert human readable format. Oh, okay. Rahul sir, how sir, how it will work? So this DNS domain name system will convert href, human readable format, that is whatever we type in the browser, to it will convert that human readable format, that href, to something called as SUF. So what do you mean by SUF, guys? Server understandable format. Oh, okay. Slowly. Sir, I'm mechanical, sir. I don't know, sir, what you are telling. Slowly, I'll go. Very slow. User, repeat after me there. User will open the browser, enter some data, that is Shadi, data. Then it will try to connect to server. But it's not possible, because server is Chombu. It is Chombu, guys. It don't know what we have typed. So we have something called DNS. Domain name system is used to convert human readable format into server understandable format. Now we can ask, Rahul sir, what is server understanding? IP address. Oh, you have heard somewhere. IP address. All have heard IP address somewhere. So what is this IP address? This is called server understanding format. How it looks? IP address 192.168.32.001. 192.168.32.001. This is called an example of an IP address. Exactly. No. Whatever we type in the data, that human readable format, that will be converted to SRF, that is server understandable format. Now this address will be sent to the server. Oh, okay. Getting everybody getting Joy, Dev Krishna, yes. Getting This IP address will be sent to the server. This IP address will be sent to the server. Now beautifully, the server, it's gonna respond. Looking at the IP address, server is gonna respond beautifully, and you all are gonna get the output as you expected. You all are gonna get what? Output as you have expected. See guys, amazing, huh? Now you can ask me, Rahul sir, what is this IP address? Why it should convert? See guys, every website has a IP like this. For example, you want to go for YouTube, you go and enter youtube.com, but server don't know what is YouTube. It has a number. YouTube has a what? Number. If you want to go for Facebook, you enter Facebook will open, but Facebook don't know by server knows only IP, but we cannot remember the IP address. Am I right? As a human being, you tell me, okay, remembering a phone number only is very difficult. Hardly you remember 4 or 5 phone numbers in your lifetime. In that, where to remember all the address of the website, it's very difficult. That is why DNS will convert. You don't worry boss. DNS will convert the human readable format what you have typed into server understandable IP address. Then that IP address is given for the system. Now this server will respond based on the IP address. So inside the server, we will have multiple website address. Okay. Different IP address will be there. Based on your search, DNS will map that IP address. Where? Now that will be given for the output. That will be given for the what? Output. This is how website is giving an output for us. Now you can ask me, Rahul sir, no, I'm in real time you explain. Let's go for Google. I just want to enter shadi.com. I'm just entering Shadi. So when I just enter, I'm getting an website. Yes, see, I'm getting a website. Okay. It's going for, okay. I just want to enter Swiggy, please. Swiggy. Okay. I'm getting a Swiggy. Beautiful. I want to go for Facebook. Okay. Meta. I'm getting a Facebook. My account is opening. Yeah, great. Getting Facebook. Getting Shadi.com. How we are getting output? Like this, what and all I'm searching in human readable. Yeah, this DNS is converting that human readable format into what? Server understandable format. That is given to server, and server, that IP address, looking at that, we are getting output. Now you can ask, Rahul sir, what do you mean by IP? Internet protocol control. Internet protocol. IP address is nothing but internet protocol address. Are you all with me? Can you all respond? I want to see how many people are there. Can you all respond? I want to see how many people are there. Come on, quick. Say yes. Present. Say present. Come on guys, very quick. 35 people, come on. Say hi to me. Don't sleep, say hi to me, my dear friends. Everybody. Say hi, Kandro, Chombu people. What you are doing? You want that much time to go and text? You all are open that video and you are in WhatsApp and Instagram, I think. Telling, hey baby, how are you, like that. Rod only for you. Yeah, come on, present, very good. Everybody, come on. Come on guys, let's go. I'll come there only to your home and kick you. Come on. Hi, Nagashri, Raghavendra. Hello. Let me see my viewers. Yep. Hi, Jotox. Come on. Others, 37 people are there. What you guys are doing? Okay, respond quick. Okay. Present. Ratul Saha. Okay, you got it, huh? Now observe. Now, how the things will work. How the things will work. I'll tell you. Why this is like this. Okay, I'll tell you guys. Now observe. So when for example, I just want to show you some IP address. If you just enter YouTube DNS IP address, see, this is called your YouTube DNS IP address. So if you want to open, okay, I just want to change. Okay, page setup. Let's okay, I'll go paste it. See, this is the IP address for YouTube. So if you all wanted to use YouTube, you cannot go and directly enter YouTube if DNS is not there. You all want to enter this IP address, then only YouTube will work. Okay, for example, you want to go for Instagram. Sir, show me Instagram DNS. Oh, okay, y'all are getting, huh? This is in dark theme, this shit. See, this is the IP address. This is the IP address, guys. Please observe. This is the IP address for Instagram. This is the IP address for what? Instagram. So every website will have a DNS. So who will map this IP address? DNS, domain name system. We call this. So this file will be used to map between the human readable format and server understandable format. This is how, based on that, you are gonna get the output. Based on that, you are all gonna get the output. This is how the web will work in real time. Are you all understanding my English, my communication? Great. You have any questions? Let's go for a questions. Everybody, quick, guys. Let's go for a question. Quick, come on. Everybody, any question? Any question on this? Come on, quick. Any doubts? I think it's clear. It's very, very, very clear for you. Any doubts? Come on. Respond. Delay is there. Lot of delay. And who and all are watching, please make sure you have subscribed the channel and turn on the alert, like turn on the alert box. Then only you'll get notified. Whenever I'm coming live, you'll get notified, right? Click on the notification. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay, you can click on that. Okay, let me see the stats. Okay. I think you all are listening. Okay, will write back. Just a second. Check how this works. Okay, that's nice. Yeah, I'm back. Nothing. That's great. Oh, so we'll kickstart. I think we'll go for the next part. That's great, Chiru. That's great. Okay. Now let's go. Let's pitch into web development. Let's rock the market. Now we are gonna go with an example. And then we're gonna kickstart with what is web development, and you got to know how the web works and 3-tier architecture. Let's assume we all want to construct an house. Okay, this is a better example where I've taught my students everywhere. So I just want to construct a beautiful house. Okay, I know everybody will have after your marriage or before your marriage. So many of them will plan. You need to get married before. Okay, you need to build your own house before you get married, right? But I would love to tell you that is just a dream, because it's very difficult nowadays to build a house before you get married, because it'll take a lot of time to earn money. And Bengaluru, if you're from Bangalore, I'll tell you, okay, it's not very cheap. So everybody, okay, won't all want to build a house? Come on, tell me how many people are having a dream to build a own house in your money, not with your father, mother, girlfriend, boyfriend, husband, wife, cousin, relatives money. In your own money, if you feel, sir, I want to build my own house, sir. With my own earnings, I want to build. How many are there? Come on, guys. Put a message. Me. Hit up the button. Hit up the button. Come on. Say. Let's go. Okay. I can see that so many people wanted to build your own house in your money, right? So to build an house, so we all wanted to, first we need to take a land, we need to purchase a land, we need to get ready with the design blueprint, then we need to kickstart working. Okay, so what is required first? We all know that to build an house, okay, the first step we need to have, that is, we all should build the pillars. So what is that pillar? What does a pillar means? Okay, you all wanted to create the basement. You all wanted to create a pillar structure. You want to create the basic structure of the house, right? Okay, let me create it little bigger. It's little blurry. Okay, 22. Okay, so okay, pillar bold. I'm gonna make it bold. Okay, yeah. So to construct an house, we all wanted to create a pillar. Now basic pillar is done. I've done my pillaring, okay, work. Okay, I've created a pillars. So I just want to create some basic structure of my house. I want to create two windows. I want to create a beautiful door here. I want to create a beautiful door here. Okay, I just wanted to create. Okay, so I'm just building a basic structure of an house, right? You are understanding, right? So this is my door. Okay, this is my door. This is a single door, but don't keep the door open. Dog will enter in your home. Okay, so what you will do? Okay, close the door always. Any dog will come. Now, okay, I think so. I've created a beautiful home. I've created a beautiful pillar. Now, what I want is, I wanted to. This is my railings. Okay, I just wanted to create. Let me just take some time. This is my window. I'm gonna take my window, one more copy, and I'm gonna put it here. Okay, that's great. That works great. So to construct an house, we all have created beautifully pillar. Now after that, okay, pillars, okay, but next part I want to do some exterior, I want to do some interior. Okay, I will give some coloring for the same house because it looks still more beautiful and still more prettier. Okay, this is Jatre. Yeah, I'm gonna create a very light color. So I'm gonna go with this. I'm gonna go with this, and I'm gonna go with this. Okay, I'm just creating a beautiful house. Okay, I'm just taking a door. I'm just taking a brown. Okay, so I've created an house. And I've given some colors. So what do you mean by that color? We need to give some interior design, right? Because only if your house is very much beautiful, the appearance is good, everybody will come to your home, correct? If you have not done painting, you have not done POP, plastering, you have not done, dog also will not enter your home. So what you should do? Beautifully color the home, passage, there, everywhere, okay? Beautifully you have done. Once this is completed, coloring is done, okay? I would tell you, okay, this I'd like to call this as a CSS in web, but here I would call this as something called as interior. Why interiors are required? Guys? Interior, to make the look and feel of your home. Okay, they should feel, wow, it's excellent. Rahul home, I'll tell you, beautiful interior, exterior they have done. Okay, decoration next level they have done. They'll tell. Okay, last, okay, if I tell I'm a techie, I'm a techie. Okay, so if I wanted to open a door, I want okay, IoT to be installed in my home. If I tell Alexa open the door, Alexa should slowly open the door. If I tell Alexa come on turn on the fan, it should turn on the fan. But right now it's not installed in my room. Don't see the fan whether it's turning on or off. Okay. For example, if I tell Alexa get me a girlfriend, will it get a rod only for me? So what to do? Okay, to do that I want to use something called as IoT. Artificial intelligence I want to use. or I'll go with IoT, Internet of Things. I'll tell Alexa, open the door. Zig, 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 zig. It should open. So what to do? This is called IoT. Now guys, let's go for a technical. Building an house is very much equal to building a software, building a website. I said you the pillar, whatever I said you, the pillar to build the house, what we require is a pillar. That is nothing but we call as HTML. To create a website, we require something called HTML. That means hypertext markup language. What is that, guys? Hypertext markup language. So what is HTML? Hypertext markup language, which is used to create, which is used to build a web pages, which is used to create a structure of web pages. In the same way, to give a coloring, we have a cascading style sheets. Not shit, it's called sheet. So what is a CSS? Cascading style sheet. This is used to give a color and appearance to the user. The user interface is being designed by CSS. For example, you go to any website. I'll tell you, you go to any website. For example, you go for Netflix. Beautiful website, I'll tell you. See there. It looks amazing. The user interface is very, very amazing. See, if you click, see. You go to Twitter, okay, or you go for Flipkart. Go for Flipkart, I'll tell you. See, amazing UI. Great. If I open this website, I feel I need to do some shopping. Amazon, you go for Amazon. Okay, see, beautiful website. This is because cascading style sheet. CSS is done beautifully in this website. Are you all understanding, guys? Are you all understanding? Are you all there? Are you all there? Are you all there? Come on, reply. Let me see. Are you all there? Let me see. Reply. Reply. No, reply. Are you all there? Shall I sing one song? You want me to sing a song? Okay, Nandita. Okay, Shweta is there. Ushali is there. Nice, okay. So Amazon looks pretty. Okay, because we are, as a customer, see, I feel beautiful with the slider. I can buy a bike. Okay, I can buy some toys. Okay. So now, if the CSS is not done, you go to IRCTC, guys. Now they have modified. But I'll tell you, if CSS is not good, see there, I don't think so. This is very good. Takes lot of time to load. And really, see here, add somewhere Chombu, it's there. See here, somewhere one ma'am is doing like this. It's behind my camera, I think. See what website, everywhere banners are there. Is it good? Is it good? The card, see the card, no CSS properly. Footer is like shit. Guys, this is because of CSS, guys. I'll tell you, okay. So if you want to develop a beautiful website, beautiful user interface website, you all want to go to CSS, cascading style sheet. Are you understanding? Let's go for next. IoT means to give a functionality, right? In the web pages, we also have something called JavaScript. So what is that JavaScript? JavaScript is used to write some functionality to the website. So what is that functionality? It's a scripting language. With that you can write, if you want to log in, you get a login output. When you want to go for some website, okay, you want to like a post, the post will be updated with the like. If you comment on some post, it will get updated, right? Every functionality if you want to write any functionality in the website, you all want to go for what? JavaScript. You all want to go for what? JavaScript, guys. These are the three technologies: HTML, CSS, JavaScript, which is required you to develop a website. To develop a web application, these three things are required. So in this course, I'm planning to cover. So in this course, I'm planning to cover HTML, CSS only. JavaScript I'll see, and I don't think so. JavaScript I'm gonna give it for free, because I'll tell you, if I give something for free, you will not have interest. If today you will come, tomorrow you will feel, hey, it's okay, free, right? Rahul sir, right? We are not paid any money, okay? We can learn it in online. No, it don't work like that. I am also spending some time for my students who are interested. I'm also trying to help. So let's make it as a paid session. So only when you are paid, you'll feel, okay, yeah, I paid some money, I need to attend only for that. Okay, and it's gonna be in Google Meet or something like that. Okay, that will be my paid session. So HTML, CSS, I'm gonna go like a crash course. I'm gonna teach you guys high levelly what is required, how the things will work, everything. Okay, so are you all listening? Are you all listening? Are you all listening? Are you all understanding, guys? You all got it, huh? You all got it, huh? Today we have learned beautifully about what? Beautifully about what? We have learned how the web works. See, how the web works. What is web? How the web works. User, browser, data, DNS, domain name system, trying to connect to server. Then we are getting output. This is how the web works. Okay, then we have learned what is HTML, what is CSS, what is JavaScript, why we want to use JavaScript, everything. Shall we kickstart with coding? Come on, tell me. Come on, tell me. Today. Shall we kickstart with the coding today, or tomorrow we'll do that? Come on, guys, let's go. Let's kickstart with the coding today or tomorrow. Come on, guys. Tell me, guys. Tell me, guys. Shall we kickstart with the coding today or tomorrow? We'll do it today. Whatever you guys tell, we're gonna do that. Coding. Oh, okay. Nice. I think. Oh yes, buddy there. Not gonna happen. I think today we will see some more these things. We will see some more what is web page, everything. Okay. Okay. Let's go with this. Let's kickstart with one more small topic you need to know before going for the coding. So there are three terminologies, guys. There are three basic terminologies which is required. You need to learn: web page, website, web server. Okay. What is that? Everybody, what is that? Share the live. What is that? Website, web page, and one more. What is that? Web server. Now, these are the very basic terminologies, I'll tell you. These are very required, and these are the basic terminologies for you all when you are learning web development. Okay. So what do you mean by a web page? Okay, I'll tell you. Web page is nothing but a plain document, guys. Okay, it is just nothing but a plain document. It's a collection of some code. So what is a website? Web page. Web page is nothing but a collection of some HTML code. Are you understanding, guys? So whatever we write in the HTML, that is called as web page. So what we do here in the web page, so what and all the HTML, I said HTML, hypertext markup language is used, right? So to create that web page, we need to write the code. Now, if you take multiple pages, see, if you open any website, what do you mean by web page? Web page is collection. Web page is what? Collection of HTML code. What is web page? What is web page? Collection of HTML code. What do you mean by website? Collection of web pages. So multiple web pages together. So every website, I'll tell you beautifully, every website will have a multiple web pages. So what do you mean by the collection of web pages? So what is website? Website is a collection of web pages. What do you mean by web page? Web page is a collection of HTML code. Now you can ask me, Rahul sir, all understood. What do you mean by server, sir? Like this website, all the websites, right? Every website, like this group of websites, every group of websites, okay, will be what? Will be what? Inside the web server. Oh, you all are getting an idea. What is a web server? Web server is a place. Web server is a place where all the websites will be present. See, every web server sites, every web server has sites. So collection of websites will be inside a web server. Are you all understanding? This is called web server. This is called web server. So what do you mean by that? What do you mean by that? Okay, a collection of HTML codes is called web page. Collection of HTML web pages is called as website. Okay, what do you mean by server? What do you mean by server? What do you mean by server? Come on. Now collection of what? Collection of websites. Collection of what? Collection of what? Websites. So what is a web page? What is a web page? Collection of HTML code. What do you mean by website? Collection of web pages. What do you mean by web server? Collection of websites. Are understanding? If you take a book as an example, if you take a book, okay, a book will have every pages. That is like your web page. The book will have a multiple pages. Completely, it's called as a book. Each and every part of a book is called page. Every book will be there in where? Okay, pages in book. Pages in book. If you take in real time, okay. So if you take this as an example, it's called book. So website is nothing but it's like a book. Okay. If you take server, where multiple books, all the books will be stored in where? Library. Oh, library is what? Collection of books, right? Library. Okay. So web pages are nothing but a pages in the book. Website is nothing but a book. Web server is nothing but a library where collection of websites are present. These are the three basic terminologies. These are the three basic, very important terminologies which are available in the market. 35 people are watching, 40 people, consistent. Very good. I am very grateful that you all are giving time and you're watching. And it's for your good only, right? I'm not gonna get any benefit if like teaching here. But you're gonna learn something, right? That's great. Okay. So you all understood? So everything where we are gonna use all the things, all the three web pages, then website, web server, every part we will access inside what? Access inside what? Browsers. So what is a browser? Browser is a application. Okay. So browser is an application which is used to load web pages, website and web pages, website and web server. So we require a browser to load all these things. In that we have seen lot of browsers, Google Chrome, Firefox, Safari, like that there are lot of browsers. Are you all understanding, guys? Did you all get it? Did you all get it, guys? Did you all get it? So you got an idea what I'm trying to tell? अर्थ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಪುರಿದೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ? समझ में आया क्या? अर्थम आइंदा? മനസ്സിലായോ? മനസ്സിലായോ? എൻ്റെ ചേട്ടാ മനസ്സിലായോ? Is the video clear? Yeah, it's clear. All understood. Come on, respond. I think we need to do the live in Zoom or somewhere. Here we'll get recorded session, that's why I'm doing. But interactive is very difficult because delay, a lot of delay is there, I think. Yes, right, guys? ಅರ್ಥ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆ ಓಕೆ okay now let's go for the okay coding part. Okay, share the live you can kindly please share it in YouTube, I mean YouTube link in Instagram, WhatsApp, anywhere. Okay, so let's talk about some coding part. Okay, so now guys, now to write this code, okay, we have HTML. Okay, you know HTML, basic HTML is there, many things are there. Okay, we can run the code in many ways, but we need to start with HTML first. You all got to know there is something called HTML, CSS, JavaScript. So okay, we need to kickstart with the very basic part called as a HTML. Very soon we're gonna kickstart with something called HTML, because see, I'll tell you first you need to learn HTML, because first you should know how to create a structure, you should know how to create a basic syntax of building a block. Then we need to give applying some styling, that is CSS. After that we need to give the functionality for all the web pages, right? So for that, first we need to learn is how to develop a HTML page. Are you all understanding? First you should create HTML, then CSS, then JavaScript. So we need to basically kickstart with HTML. Okay, so I'm gonna kickstart with HTML. Okay, I'm gonna kickstart with HTML hypertext markup language. Hypertext markup language. So I'm gonna kickstart with HTML, that is hypertext markup language. Right now it's not possible, so we are gonna kickstart this session tomorrow greatly. Okay, tomorrow stay tuned guys, stay tuned. We're gonna start this, okay, right away tomorrow without miss. What is HTML, and we're gonna see what is HTML, how we can write from the scratch, from the basic. We're gonna see what is HTML, how to write the code, how to do the coding, everything. Live session we will be doing from tomorrow. Are you all understanding? Okay, so can we all meet tomorrow guys? Can we all meet tomorrow? Can we all meet tomorrow? Kickstart with HTML. And anybody wanted to attend my paid sessions, there are a lot of paid sessions for React.js, Angular, Node, Express, MongoDB, Java, Python, any session. Okay, you can just put me a text in WhatsApp or anywhere, any social media. Okay, I'll give you the details about that. Okay, everybody got it? Oh yes sir, oh yes. Okay, catch you guys tomorrow. Stay tuned, we'll catch tomorrow 7 o'clock. And as the days goes, I'll extend the class. Right now I'm gonna take only 1 hour of session, like that, 50 or 45 minutes or 50 or 1 hour maximum I'm gonna take. So as the time changes, we'll kickstart. Okay, shall you all meet tomorrow? Okay, see you guys, thank you so much everybody. So let me check with the chat whether is it visible for you all in the intermission. Here I cannot see the chat, right? Where is the chat box? I think I need to put it in the top. Yeah, I think it's here. Okay, so I think this is not required. Okay, come on, tell me, let me see. Come on, any questions? Come on guys. Any questions? Any questions? Any questions? Let's go. Let's go. Any questions, guys? Any questions you have got? Is it clear? Is it clear? Okay. Okay. We'll meet tomorrow. Thank you so much, everybody. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. See you guys tomorrow at 7 p.m.